Ya, betul. Bale punya overhead kick dengan dia punya RAM.
Itu boleh buat.
Wah, tak tahan dia punya overhead kick tu memang asal jam lah. Tapi dia punya RAM tu dia main tembak tu dia macam super lepas effort tau. Semua terus
Lepas tu si apa
dia tahan. Aduh.
masa tu si Syarif dia tengah dia kata dia tengah rank. Kan si
Ramos bantai dia.
tak juga. Jadi ya. Oh kan.
But to most Liverpool fans that was not no excuse. Dia orang memang bengang dengan dia sampai hari ni lah. And he never recover lah. He never recover from that.
Ya, dia first after that. Dia apa isi the game. Dia first one dengan Stanbrook ke apa ke.
Yalah, put dia.
Put dia apa. God saw. Nah, no, it's not itu kita I want to listen more.
Ya, betul. Dan actually Klopp memang nakkan Karius menjadi nombor 1 dia.
Yes.
Itu dia, memang dia nampak potensial lo.
Klopp Karius memang specifically for
Nombor 1.
number one. Nak go against kononnya nak competition but he wanted Karius.
Yalah.
And he's a German guy.
Ada German guy.
So Klopp
Tak lagi satu, Karius dia memang ada potential untuk
Ada potential.
And then kalau dia perform di Liverpool, dia boleh naikkan standard dia masuk dalam German management team.
Tapi lepas that final dah kena
Yalah.
mental has gone.
Nangis. Aduh. Habis segala usaha dia sebelum tu dalam Champions League. Kan dia main masa final apa kan dia main cantik. Habis. Yang dia purpose dia balik tu lah. Dia tak nampak ke player rapat dengan dia main balik.
Yang for me yang the ref salah. The ref tu tak nampak yang Ramos pergi
Ramos pergi lantai.
pelangkung dia tu.
Tapi
on the field tu.
tapi gol pertama Real tu bukan sebelum tu kan yang dia balik
tu. Tapi yang he said that after that dia kena pelangkung tu dia macam in the days tu yang dia reaction yang because he said for the I said that for the goal for me it could have saved the first bukan the first goal, the second goal tu
dia gol dia
really something. Tapi yelah for I think then luckily for him was almost the one who broke the defender tau. After that pre-season dia dapat still had the jitters pada Milano Liwa gone.
Yalah.
Mignolet was already dah I think dah jual Mignolet macam tu kan?
Belum lagi.
Belum.
Belum. Tapi Mignolet memang akan jadi nombor 2. So Mignolet tak mau benda tu. Cabut lah. Tapi Mignolet bila pergi left Liverpool he is nobody now.
Dia main dekat
Benedict lah. Tapi nobody. Tahu lah apa nama Standard League.
No, dia main dengan Belgium, dekat dengan Belgium.
Yalah Standard League. Dia apa nama tu. Tapi it's nobody. Kalau dia pergi Dutch League ataupun dia pergi German League dia still okay lah.
Club Brugge.
Club Brugge. Memang Mignolet is nobody now. He's nobody now. Megno. Ada. Dia compare to Adrian ni is very good backup. Adrian tak pernah complain pun. Aku patut turun satu lah. Listen buat apa. Tak ada. Jadi he takes his role as number 2 fine.
Because Adrian there's a possibility Adrian he can be open to, tapi Adrian is solid. Adrian masa main dekat WhatsApp pun solid.
Yeah.
That's why masa Alisson injured, Klopp wasn't that worried because Adrian if you give him full season memang Adrian tak confident. I wouldn't be confident. But you give Adrian spells kan, boleh lah.
As a good backup lah.
Jadi backup boleh lah.
Memang Adrian dia ada flaws dia, tapi as a good backup he's fine.
He's happy yang season. Actually he was ada rumah kata that ni. Dia kata dia go ahead. He pun stay.
Tapi Adrian pun I don't think Adrian wants to leave Liverpool like this now. I don't think so.
Liverpool are only the team because sekarang ni the
Caliber tu
Alisson is ada. Caliber is still Alisson
yang lah untuk take the number 2 spot.
Actually Liverpool want yang the boy to become the okay, we'll pay you 10 million pounds. Really? Ambil dia. And let's talk about 12 million for 8 million.
You tak jadi nombor ni backup to cash push method juga. So kalau dia nak upgrade dia profile, either go to the one of the promoted clubs lah, West Brom or Fulham tu dia. Dia list tak mungkin so memang ada content dengan Kiko Kasia dengan Wesley tu memang tak kami boleh.
Kiko tu
Yes, Real Madrid third Kiko. So he's a Champions League winner.
backup lah.
Yalah tapi apa Champions League
Ada juga media apa tu pun.
Yalah. Itu
But then this quite well.
Messi is a very good backup. Dia baru 21 tahun dia tu, memang very young. Dan jangan lupa masa yang dia take over Kiko tu, clean sheet banyak. One lawan Newton ke yang dia concede one goal lah, lain semua clean sheet. Memang very good. Kalau tengok ialah mungkin player yang tapi the main issue among the this fan is Ben White lah. Dia kata free Ben White. Tapi
dia bawa Alvaro, berarti tak nak bagi. Unless they get like a music and at least they have the money.
Yes.
I heard that Brighton value Ben White at about 20 to 50 million.
Tapi Brighton nak 50 million kan.
50.
Habis aku baca dalam BBC Sport, dalam BBC Sport pun ada.
I heard that
50 million.
siapa? I heard someone I heard Leeds put offer 20 juta saja tapi
Dalam Brighton refuse sebab Brighton nak kata Liverpool and Man City interested to buy Ben White 50 million dengar
BBC Sport talking about that. Manchester City. City this offseason, I don't know apa Pep punya kepala, he cannot buy fullbacks. He cannot be centre back. And I don't know what happened to John Stones. Kalau I tell you, if I were Pep, John Stones, John Stones masuk bila dia dia cerita apa problem kau sebenarnya. John Stones macam masa his first season tu yang dia menang tu nampak dah okey. Macam ada sebab dia was looking tiba-tiba second season yang last season tu his confidence.
Lu lupa ke yang masa Nation League England lawan Portugal dia punya howler tu dispossess tu
Itu lah. But he went down top padahal no, I don't know apa Everton
nak beli dia. Everton ada interest nak beli dia.
I read the rumor
Tak tahulah kalau City gila nak ambil Yeremina pula tukar, tak tahu kan.
Bukan rumor saya tu. Bukan Everton. Oh, Chelsea nak dia tu.
Chelsea ya. John Stones.
Chelsea nak dia.
Gua rasa kau tahu siapa yang akal kat Chelsea untuk beli John Stones. Kau tahu siapa? Ross Barkley. Mestinya.
Bodoh.
Evertonian. Mestinya.
Kabel lah ni.
Kabel lah. Mestinya.
Ross Barkley dekat Chelsea. Dia macam
Dia in and out lah. Dia in and out.
Maybe you should give him a proper run betul. But yang one place because the thing is dekat Chelsea centre back tu dah banyak lah yang same quality and this season.
Ya betul. Apa tu Rudiger, Zuma.
Okay, among the three, gua rasa Rudiger atas ni. Rudiger kena buat aside as he's around. He'll be there. But
Zuma dengan Christensen.
Zuma dia pun sama. Even Stones there, dia pun sama juga. Yang
tak membantu apa-apa.
Yang super
Tomori apa tu Kayu Tomori.
Yang
England yang player kan. Ada 21 Kayu Tomori.
So if you want to see what
Chelsea kalau beli John Stones pun tak banyak membantu apa lah. Dia
that's why I say dia dengar dengan kita thing is lepas Tomori tu mungkin nak keluarkan loan was like, you just put him as a rotation in there. Tapi what I heard was, ini dengan cerita biasalah budak-budak dapat Tomori lepas dia call up for England tu, itu kepala meledak.
Kepala dah fikir lain lah.
Aku dah superstar, aku lah superstar.
Tak lah. Betul lah, you. Lepas dia nampak dia nak yang players dia keep the feet to the ground tau. Macam Mason Mount macam ni.
Yes.
Just take the profile.
That's why dia tengok ni apa? Go shoulder to Tammy ke? Polisi. Polisi because the polisi was supposed to the valid reason. But I remember one of the things either Canon ataupun Tammy dia tak sign contract. Is it Canon ataupun Tammy?
Ada one
Either one. Tapi okay, tapi dia pergi. That's why bila kau dengar yang kasi beli high habis, beli high macam okay, kau buka fine, hak tu Look your Callum Paxson. Look your Tammy Abraham who can play that seriously.
Yes.
Lepas tu kita dekat midfield. Dekat midfield tengah-tengah tu, semua ada TV. Ruben Loftus-Cheek.
Mana Aceh nampak?
Dia tiba-tiba dia apa yang
James, ada seorang lagi James Rees tu. James Rees, tapi James Rees boleh main right back.
Not ikut right back. Dia masa yang Chelsea yang itu dia dua expose buat. Masa yang FA Cup final.
FA Cup final ya, lawan Arsenal.
Chelsea Arsenal punya tactical tu kita main dengan dia. Habis. Yang the first penalty tu gol juga outlet habis. So
James Rees is not the good option for right back lah.
He can play advocately, but he's not a right back. He's not
nampak dia macam dia midfielder kan?
Yes,
midfielder di MC or something like that.
Itu yang was the first. So if you can say,
lepas tu bila dengar rumours kata Jorginho nak left Juventus to follow, nak left Chelsea to go to Juventus. Masa tu selalu belum set kan. Lepas dia sangat berapa pun nampak macam kata okey lah kalau lu nak pergi. Sounds like that lah.
He had Mason Mount. He had also si Matteo Kovacic tu. Kovacic. He really like. Then dia cakap Ruben Loftus-Cheek is coming back. Lepas tu si Jorginho ni. So basically he just needs to do dia started right back is Aspilicueta when he play the back four. Now he needs to yang that left. Now yang his priority was to first to get a good left back. Nak ganti tu.
Yalah betul.
Then he wanted a score who can score. That's why he went after si Timo Werner.
Timo Werner apa?
My opinion is takutnya dia patutnya yang dua ekor tu yang Tammy Abraham Tammy okay. Next season you are going to be my you are going to be my starting striker. Tapi after Werner agaknya dia kata pada Tammy tak apa. Now okay, Werner will become ni. Giroud will become backup. That's why when Werner came in, Tammy tak bising. But I think Lampard dah cakap dengan dia next season Giroud will be a bench player only. Then we'll see how with the general transfer window. Betul tak? Giroud is gonna go somewhere. Okay. But then back to Chelsea again. My point is kita nak this. Dia punya defense tu, center tu, Rudiger is good, solid. He's not like a star defender. Macam Liverpool. Kan Liverpool tu before the night kan siapa main tengah? Lovren dengan Gomez sama mati. Good center defenders. Tapi
Lovren is not as commanding as Virgil tu.
Virgil kuat. He became center. The Rock was there. Rock was there center. Kenapa Chelsea now this Rock? Masa macam Chelsea dia glory years. What's the Rock in the middle?
Apa tu Cahill?
Gary Cahill dengan John
Terry. Yes.
Dia tu like if one thing what they respect Gareth, they both cover each other in terms of in the pen in the back. Kalau Three hand off dia, Cahill sit for me. Problem is age part of him. Cari belah kan. So Cahill was there. Then age part of Cahill. Then dia tu dia ganti yang Rudiger ni masa dia semua. Rasanya Rudiger jadi their partner kot. Cahill Cahill was the man. Tapi at least yang dia nak fokus ni dia dari level kasi level okay. Kita okay. Aku nak ganti dah sport. Besok aku dah masuk I'm not convinced.
Yalah.
If you dapat kita apa? Ingat, if you want to harap si Rudy Gay stop mega yang dengan cerita the latest DC tengah hot tiba-tiba in England yang pada cerita Issa Diop sekarang dengan rumus Chelsea tu tiba-tiba dah
Issa Diop bos kan
dia pun bayar ni mana tu dah rumus buat si Mamat tu Koulibaly
ni Koulibaly tu Napoli Chelsea pun nak dia dengar kata so kalau Koulibaly dengan Rudiger it will be a very good partnership.
Bos Koulibaly is a rock.
Betul.
Very rock. When you central defenders is always expected. But someone to be the rock. I don't want to be like the partner to the rock.
Yalah betul lah.
When you go Liverpool, who is the rock? Obviously,
betul lah.
Partner siapa?
Lovren ataupun Matip ataupun Gomez.
Masa yang game dah mungkin ni game lawan apa yang
kalah
bukan
Gejil main kan?
Gejil main. Tapi diorang sengaja diorang tak tahu tu Gejil diorang takut si Lovren.
Yeah.
I remember gini macam tak we targeted Lovren the whole day because we know Lovren kena get record and kenapa Gejil tak boleh tolong Lovren but dia tolong Lovren dia side expose.
Betul lah.
He can marshal.
Betul lah.
Lovren ikut to your job.
Betul lah.
Lovren malam tu dah kena kau dengan gini dan kepala ni.
Yalah.
That's why from take long term keep people Gomez because Gomez can be better. Gomez Gomez has his speed to compensate and Gomez is more comfortable on the ball compared to Lovren. Tengok each team you do top the top 4 teams center ni Liverpool got Van Dijk ni nombor 2 satu City dia yang tak ada rock
City tak ada.
tapi City punya nasib is because for some reason they can score more goals than you apa bila
Dia orang betul tu dia orang
dia that's the City dia anyone nak otomatik untuk dia
tak dengar pun.
Bernardinho memang is DMC main tapi actually Bernardinho jadi DC perform quite a good job tapi not great job but good job. That's why this is good. And after that company leaving Man City and then like play manager and he I was like yes I was like yes because kita tahu when country tu is the rock for the whole defense.
City dia replace dia find someone yang macam company tu betul dah.
Siapa rock in MU defense?
Maguire the rock.
Maguire is suited. That's why this partner must be someone yang in trouble with me. And Maguire is
Dia lock tak lagi.
Maguire is what you call an old-fashioned English central
Yalah
defender.
memang lah betul lah.
Yang macam zaman Pallister Bruce tu.
Yalah betul lah.
Memang
Yalah
tapi
betul lah.
kaki dia tu macam itu kaki dia macam
Dia tak boleh
Bila teams main
moving out the ball tak boleh.
Bila team main cepat dia macam gol macam gini.
Ya tak boleh.
I saw there was
And the lock pun tak jadi dengan dia.
Tak
Tak
boleh.
boleh.
Eric Bailly was actually the good solution tapi he injured. Itu yang gua cakap
Injury prone.
Kau tahu siapa dia ni? Siapa? Apa tu gua cakap OGS macam ni pun.
Lepas tu at the end run out of gas.
Apa cakap? Apa cakap? Nak dia apa cakap? Chong Wei memang tapi dia tetap regulate Chong Wei okey. When kami you buat ni. OGS pula dia pun same players in the out. Masa mana setengah kencang dia macam tu dah pergi tadi macam mana ya.
Yalah betul nampak run out of gas. Nampak. So dia pun macam OGS je lah. OGS tu relatively inexperienced lah. Compared to Klopp nampak dia punya experience tu.
The only thing is dia OGS masa dia Molde brought them to championship Norwegian. Graham Potter was a success in Scandinavia. And Graham Potter is better manager. What do you think?
Betul. Basically you need better manager.
Until Fernandes came, MU was I heard before Fernandes came, MU dah tengah cerita nak payah OGS. Ni tak cerita.
Dia nak kena dengan Posh kan. Dia tengah
Tiba
pos.
benda dia datang
Meletup. So everyone lupa benda tu.
Lupa benda tu. Oh, OJS.
OJS the best coach.
I saw that. Tengok
Tengok Accident.
I saw that. I was thinking, then after a while play team also say, oh, now we know.
OJS kalau bagi tim macam menu tu, yalah nampak macam tu lah, tapi belum.
For me simple. Masa dia asli tu. Masa dia dekat kaki. Apa yang dia buat kat kaki sampai apa?
Relegated, yes.
Relegated kan? Can anyone say that masa kat kaki was spectacular he did in impression? Tak ada. He came kaki from Mode kan? Dan lepas dia belah kaki Mode ni baik.
Dia senang macam ni kan. Gua nak tengok next season macam mana menu confront Leeds ni tu kan. Sebab nanti APS kan berhadapan dengan Bielsa tau. Bielsa is very good position. Very good position.
But then, one thing about OGS and a lot of MU fans is the one thing. He's actually also, dia certain extent tidak. I got good players, want to use them. And if it works out, alhamdulillah. If it doesn't work out, I don't know. But after the loss against Sevilla, kita pun, players didn't take their chances, they are all young kids. Oh, tentu pula.
Lain pula dia punya
Dulu kita tahu. Bila masa
dia kata dia squad ni depth kan.
Yeah. I mean, you tak tahu ke Mason Greenwood was not young player, bukan pemain. Tapi Greenwood was scoring goals. MU kan semua he was scoring goals. He was scoring goals.
He's a very young lad. Dia belum Mason Greenwood.
Itulah. When I saw Mason Greenwood, I cakap kau boleh
OGS macam nak replicate Klopp's punya formula, main 3 depan tu.
My mindset is to do the same thing next season. The same thing. But I am afraid about Rashford punya first. I see sekarang sistem baru dia macam, tapi yelah to certain extent they allow the front three to interplay. I can see the point. Because Martial, he tends to go to the left and then dia ni main macam tu. Tapi Rashford is actually good as a central striker. For me, I still when I see Rashford, I still like him as a central striker, not as a left forward. He can play too, but he is important as a central striker. Dia macam Bill Ben Nistelrooy.
Nistelrooy.
Get kind of striker. He's smart. He can play, he can position. If you ask him to play the interchangeable, for example, he will lose his edge now. Rashford tu, he can score goal. But you must think of it. Okay, Rashford is a central striker, then semua kena support dia. See what happens.
So mana kalau dalam dia tu mana menu kena main 4-2-3-1 lah, actually Rashford is the lone man lah.
I don't know apa sistem dia. But you must put Rashford as a striker, not as a forward yang boleh lah.
Betul lah, as a striker, main striker lah.
Because for me, Rashford is designed to play that way. Dia tak macam yang dia punya front three, Mane, Salah ada. They can rotate, they also can pass the ball, they can also cross the ball. Rashford dia passing.
Yalah, dia punya qualities dia lebih pada finishing lah.
I see the point.
Finishing dia.
Actually, I see this.
Dribbling pun out, tengok dribbling tu dong. Menu fan orang kata. Rashford ni kalau bawa bola main apa? Menanah. tak ada skill tu mana.
Itu position dia tu mampu. And finishing tu bila dunia when he shoots the ball, memang dia memang ada dia tak.
So dia needs to work on that lah kalau dia nak ni.
Masalahnya pun sistem yang dituduh oleh Rani di kanan. Apa dia nak dia salah dia suka sistem where he's the
dia jadi masa Bengal last Bengal punya MU manager tu. Bengal tahu nak buat dia tu apa.
That's the point.
Tapi bila Mourinho masuk, Mourinho letak Mourinho memang favor Lukaku lah as number 9 kan. Rashford letak belah kiri. Rashford tak letak perform. Ya,
I think Rashford tried to be his best lah. Tapi dia perform. Bukan Mourinho suka Lukaku buat sistem MU. No, there's boleh Lukaku. The only thing that confirmed Lukaku's success at Inter is Lukaku can play in a big club. Inter is a big club. Cuma you need a proper system to accommodate him.
Betul lah.
Itulah bila kau tengok dia had Lukaku pergi Inter. Ini until Conte habis. I tak cakap macam
Yalah, memang betul lah tu. Bos. Kasih roti makan. Roti makan dua.
tak betul orang cakap. Aku pergi Conte Inter Conte habis. Ini memang dia sukses.
Berarti memang.
That's why kan di MU kan. Kenapa the MU dia kata okay. First 11 dah kira set lah. Aku pun buat that. Money for dia awal okay. Tengok club yang delegated ni siapa yang boleh memberi untuk. That's why bila I heard that MU itu Jack Grealish outside. Grealish
is a very good player. Tapi kan Liverpool tak beli dia. Mungkin Liverpool dah ada player better than dia kot.
No, Liverpool got similar player yang buat juga Rani.
Tak payahlah beli dia.
If you put Naby Keita and get Grealish to each other, Liverpool but Grealish he has something which English player need. He has the spirit.
Spirit lah. Apa tu?
But the thing is,
fighting ni.
the thing is, Aston Villa survive. So Grealish belum missing. Okay lah, stay lah one more season just for the fun. I think you stay one more season unless a mega comes in. Tapi I think the management cakap dengan dia, you stay one more season lah because Grealish is still relatively young. Mana macam kan dia baru
Dia dah captain lah. Dia bila side captain lah dia.
So he knows he has okay lah. I think it has the Villanya manager top manager okay lah. Now we are safe. I stay one more season just for the fun bit, see what happens. If you guys still suck, I'm off. And he gets one more season to get him more because ini baru Villa punya first season balik kan. Dia mission kan. Now so next second season so dia dapat more experience. Tapi
Lepas tu dia kena tengok juga kalau bila dia buat reinforcement ke ataupun ni buy players dia kena tengok
yeah, but if you see the Villa next summer I will love how to go there. I love him. Grealish is that kind of the spot kind
dia macam Hindu juga tu. Dia ada iron skill of the British English tu.
There is one. A lot of Hindu punya fans sekali cakap, Hindu punya fans dia cakap, see, when Hindu is not here, what happens to Liverpool? Liverpool macam like tak solid in the middle. Because that's why that is why I next season the team say to Hindu. Dia on the relax. Bukan banding saya atau minyak. Hindu is the injit. He's the macam Kim
Menu lah Roy Keane lah.
He's the heart and soul. The
Nombor satu dia Hindu is not as temperamental as Keane. That's the only positive thing lah. Kalau dia jenis macam Roy Keane tu sebanyak merah tu. Bantai tibai sokong bubuk. Dia pun bantai tibai kena merah kan.
Hindu is someone yang macam keeps everyone okay.
Yes. Jadi banyak tu.
And kalau apa Hindu play? No.
Hindu dia play.
Kalau buat tu, kalau kau apa, kalau Hindu win, actually will draw. Akan you not win but I can draw. Because Hindu
Nampak midfield tu longgar tengah tu memang. Dan bila Hindu
itu kan waktu punya place kan dah ada exchange.
Yeah.
Tetap lagi dah gila.
Yalah,
So I was saying, Hindu tak ada tukar. Hindu say game one, calm down.
Yes.
Van Dijk was a captain. But you need someone to calm down the player. Milner tak boleh buat. Dia buat. Milner dengan Van Dijk okey lah. Pada padu yang Milner dia tu macam Joe. Why do you think Liverpool tak offer dia kontrak ni? Kita dia ada term romance.
Ya ke?
Dia ada term romance je.
So sekali sama ni Joe has to decide whether to stay or to leave lah.
Joe, what is the thing about Joe yang a lot of yang di movie cakap and also to certain extent I think good about Joe, home games you can depend on him. Away games is out. away games, you see
So
how
a bit inconsistent lah tu yang jadi masalah.
dia macam away games kadang-kadang he tends to drift tau. The thing is he's covered by Endo dengan he's covered by
Fabinho. Endo dengan Fabinho tu.
That is why kan yang Thiago ni Thiago tu still because kalau Thiago ada at least the front three okay lah, kita orang tak payah macam bekerja teruk. And then one thing when Thiago masuk I can see the possibility why when Thiago masuk team pula alamak dah 3 ekor ke depan dah ada DSL. You give them an orchestra
Conductor
at the back lagi dia. Tapi I think kau cakap relax, kau diam dulu dia masa Coutinho was there dia macam actually
yes. Coutinho tu nak dijentuk.
Tapi dia nampak perasa dah.
Dia ada plan kata nak buat 4-2-1-3 kan.
Itu Coutinho sistem itu yang dia I thought was 4-3 but 4-3 thought is in depan there will be one guy in the middle you can add another extra. Dia pun so lucky that the front three can really help plus the fullbacks really do a good job in helping the score. But suddenly you must have one any. That's why masa yang
Dia macam free roll behind the forwards lah.
masa Hendro rumah dia aku nak masuk pergi ke Liverpool. Steve Nicol kata tak boleh sebab sistem Liverpool the midfielders must do the pressing and whatever which is good. Tapi for his sebagai ramai kat Germany so he knows how to play that league so he can play but the creativity is especially lawan dengan teams yang sedih.
Ya betul.
Tak game lawan Burnley. I saw the game so
Yes, lawan Burnley.
yang 1-0 tu.
Burnley setback.
Macam tu.
Sama macam Aston Villa pun yang main ke Villa Park yang Liverpool menang gol 1. The Liverpool goals came to the last 5 minutes ke apa. Liverpool tak boleh buka.
Andrew Robertson came with a flying header instead of Tyrone Mings. Lepas tu Mane buat yang ni.
Tak before that memang tak boleh buka.
Lawan Burnley tu pun the last time itu Burnley memang dah macam dah macam tu dah shaky but ada the extra edge dekat depan tu. But then Liverpool dah menang the goal so like it was no big deal lah. But the extra spark maybe when you need. That's why si Klopp is hoping for Keita. No, for Keita to be there.
Keita.
That's why I see next season katakan dapat Thiago dia probably can do that and certain times dia tengok main okay dia suruh Thiago and Keita but Thiago will still Hendro will still be there but depan tu Thiago will play and Keita can take one of the
front three
bukan the left or the right sama ada si apa the role of Mane atau role of
Mino
salah di Mino itu yang si Klopp was talking from Shaq dia dah ada kan
sudah tu
bila itu and just understand why Klopp nak Thiago then the thing is Thiago is 29 his injuries have been a little bit new. Dia lepas tu campur dengan lebih. Main nak 30 juta. And then dengan cerita now, bila dengar nak ni si mesti dah aku pun saya dia pula. And then game yang semi yang lawan apa yang kalah dengan Neo tu apa kan itu Foden on the bench
again what the Man City get creative players
you know when they woke up after I heard
masuk Mahrez masuk tu baru ada spark
macam dia tukar Pep itu tinggi dia kata Pep takut dia punya forward boleh kan satunya back four tak berapa tu nampak kita bikin tu
dia back three dia switch lepas tu dia buat midfield 5 kan
tu saya tengok with De Bruyne main tapi tiba-tiba you put De Bruyne, betul you put apa DMC, apa you put Rodri, you put
Rodri.
Gundogan.
Al-Qaeda
Asal si
Function.
so Leon Yong okey, City nya TTT confirm De Bruyne hantam dia.
Attack dia. De Bruyne pun jadi mati, tak boleh buat apa.
He may be an excellent player. Kalau lu bola bukan bola, dia letak kat ini. Tiga orang tak ke kau bila. Because the things no, the creativity of that midfield masa that point part of the game comes from me.
Lagi tu De Bruyne bukan Maradona pun.
De Bruyne is not Maradona. He's more like a passer. He's a passer excellent.
Lu tak payah tengok jauh-jauh lah. Lu tengok 45 years before lah tengok Colin Bell. Sama je. Itu je. De Bruyne dengan Colin Bell pun tengok sama je. Colin Bell pun tahu.
I don't know City legend, but I don't know.
Mungkin dia lebih macam De Bruyne lah. Lebih kuat ke sama. Passing dia number 8. Sama je. Jadi dia bukan a dribbler ke apa. Jadi bila macam kita kata, when three opposing players surround him, blackout lah. Itu je, dia blackout lah. Mesti blackout dia.
Macam kalau si David Silva Silva still got the Silva or maybe Mahrez lah you say. Tapi kalau De Bruyne you give it but De Bruyne you give him time, he's passing go. Memang dalam De Bruyne passing macam memang pinpoint gila dia passing.
Yalah.
Cantik.
Jadi senang cerita Pep, sebenarnya Pep takut bayaran Mourinho lah. Dia start playing his team with the strength. Lawan dia takut macam dia counter. So dia lupa yang dia ada strength sendiri. Kalau dia main dia free flowing ni football, dia boleh Leon tu apa kena apa biji kena tahu lah.
Habis. Ya. Tiba-tiba apa yang Birmingham ni
Oh menu nak beli Grealish.
I tell you upfront, if that midfield ada Pogba, Grealish, Fernandes dengan si Fred jaga, serious shit like that is struggling. You just you worry about the defense lah, but that front ni, then you put the three tu, you play two at all time. You ada Greenwood, Martial dengan Rashford, you cycle, you ada that four, you put dua, dahsyat tu. Because at least you can rotate the three. Especially kan Greenwood kan, rotate the three. That's why I cakap, Grealish go to MU kan, jangan gitu. So Grealish would be perfect in the Ole punya system. Kau tengok kan basically, it's not macam tu baru cakap Ole dengan Zidane atau macam it's both. Dia tahu kau main dia apa kau boleh pola kau. Kau ketak apa tahu. Jadi kalau Jack Grealish pergi menu pun dia akan jadi burn out nanti lah. Dia bisa burn out orang tu. But you must remember that he will complement. That's the thing. It wouldn't be it's the thing is, kalau imagine the midfield yang ada si Grealish dengan Pogba, Grealish, Rodriguez. Pogba apa dia Martinez apa jenis lah. You see what happens when they play in team, Pogba will be the conductor. Fernandes dengan ni orang akan buat lini dia. Aku kan conduct kau. Dan belakang ni boleh spread lah. Fred ataupun Matic lah. Fred muda kan. Fred akan jaga belakang. Settle agency lah. Lepas tu depan ni Rashford dengan Martial Greenwood. Boleh problem dengan nampak? Pogba okey lah. Kita ni Pogba dengan Fred dah buka. Pogba dengan Fred kat sini. Lepas tu sini Grealish dengan Fernandes. Lepas depan ni. Grealish dia mana? Kau buat apa?
Dia main 4-4-2 tapi itu tu diamond. Tahu?
I can see that.
Betul tu. Tunggu je lah sehari 2 hari lagi tengok macam mana. Kan Grealish dia tempted ke tak hantu ni?
Dia tak say, but then Grealish is strong passion support of Villa. So maybe the manager will say to me,
He's a Villa guy kan.
Dia cakap dengan apa?
Dulu dia ada macam nak Villa punya relegation to the Championship tapi dia tak pergi.
He was very young boy, muda lagi. He was like 20-21.
Tapi itu nak tunjukkan kata dia is a Villa guy juga. Dia tak
Masa tu Villa masa dia baru bentuk tu. Tapi masa tu dia was a lot of season that he was very immature. Pas masa tu kan kecoh Island masa tu dia kan kecoh Island. Dia pun macam like
dia sama macam Declan Rice juga tu.
Daripada Grealish itu nama Irish
Memang
Irish tapi but then his family is Irish but I think he was born in England kan. Born in England
Betul lah tu. Dia macam Declan Rice juga sama.
He was born in Birmingham.
Yalah tak sama macam Declan Rice apa lah.
Family dia semua Irish.
London Irish. Ini Birmingham Irish. So dia macam memanglah memang my family tapi dia punya soul tu English.
But Declan was even worse for the Irish people. You know why? He played for Irish and US first.
Betul. Grealish tak main kan?
He didn't play. Grealish let me check.
Ada Grealish tak main untuk Ireland punya under 18 tak ada. Declan main.
Declan main. Itu yang IFA dengar dia pergi ke England dia menumpah tau. Dia masa tu I remember early dia confident dengan Declan. Okay, Declan will be Irish, no problem. Tapi lepas dia orang tengok dia orang macam like
pasal England can offer guarantee play ke World Cup kan.
World Cup semua tu.
Saya tak guarantee. Tu ya.
He did play.
Dia play
He played. Grealish
ada 31 squad. 31 squad tu. Kau dengar nama pun Jack Grealish Lepas tu kau check rupanya dia bukan, he's not related to the ex-higher midfielder Tony Grealish. Baik lah. Dia surname lah sama tapi not related. The late Tony Grealish.
Tapi after around 2000 okay. Masa Moy jadi manager England dah mula dengan ya. 2015. He played for ni, lepas tu dia
Island dia kalau dia nak dia kena cari orang yang daripada from the island tu dia mentor
dia orang boleh je, tapi tengok juga pada ni macam ni at least kan Ireland got a fighting chance for their players. Tengok Northern Ireland tu
Northern Ireland tu bukan key team
tapi dia one hard kicking. Dia punya dia tengok sport of
tapi dia ada well under Euro 2016 tau.
Yelah, because they are hard working team.
Yelah, dia working team.
Imagine a championship team betul
lah.
the staff is kena.
Saya punya second Josh begini main apa? Main Barnsley ke apa? Memang championship tak ada ni. Yang ada pun mungkin Johnny Evans Premiership kan. Tu je.
The Irish team tu World Cup. Kenapa berkut? Kenapa berkut tu?
Ya, betul lah.
Cuma Wales had the expectation. Irish was saying, we are here.
Macam Wales, dia orang ada bail kan. So, dia orang boleh pergi sebagai banner kan.
Macam
tapi Irish memang dia orang workman like punya team kan.
Kalau World Cup ni dia bilang saying, kenapa berkut? Macam ni.
Betul lah. Masa Euro kan. Dia orang kata, dia orang okay macam, tak kisahlah. Dia orang jadi bila dah boleh main final Euro pun okay tu.
So, bila tengok sport kan macam, tapi kesian tau macam I think it's more advantageous for the other teams macam your Ireland, Scotland semua. Dia pun ambil juga yang these English players yang ada kadang-kadang tu.
Dia ambil.
Sebab tak macam
nampak average, memang very average lah. Semua Scotland pun tu nampak very average.
You know tak? I heard cerita kan. Celtic dengan Rangers sebab dia macam I heard almost that if Celtic menang the 10th premiership this coming season, okay, dia mungkin tak promotion
ke PL.
because frankly speaking, Celtic and Rangers, dia bukan level sport.
Ya, dia orang punya level, Premiership punya level lah.
At least English punya level lah.
Yalah, betul lah tu.
Masuklah tu.
I mean, it's up to the Premier League to decide whether to accept both or not kan. Tapi memang kalau Rangers Celtic masuk PL, confirm every game dekat sepatik dengan Airforce memang 60 million, 60,000, 50,000 confirm. Every.
Then comes the issue. Kalau Celtic dengan Rangers di sana, everything kata nanti United kata Hearts pun Dortmund
Ya, betul.
Dortmund tu juga. Jadi apa sudah domestic game.
Itu lah.
Kalau nak ikut sometimes I just Scottish domestic game.
Tak, kalau lu tengok video pun attendance memang out.
Itu tak, the lower levels of the stadium. Kau tengok, stadium bola ni tengok.
Ya.
Kita tak nampak, kita nampak kat stadium Celtic.
Yalah.
Aberdeen, Rangers tu.
lah.
Yang the SPL ni tu.
Ya. Bila pergi yang bawah
Kau baca
5,000 tu ramai dah tu. Ramai dah 5,000 tu dah ramai dah tu.
Queen of South, Queen of
Ramai
South,
lah 500 orang yang tengok.
Breaking,
Breaking
Stenhouse Beef.
Stenra. Gua sebut Stenra tu, gua tengok Alex sebut nama tim tu, gua tahu dia nak sebut nama macam mana. Stenra. Kan?
East 5,
S5. Lagi apa? Standing Albion. Apa? Kofa Athletic. Aduh, tengok dia punya, kau ingat dulu beli shoot kan? Bila dia orang tim-tim yang dulu dia orang tak ada ni, first division, second division kan. 500, 300, 400.
and then you can
Gua rasa tu estimate je tu, main tembak je.
I read somewhere actually yang the lower leagues of Scottish football tu is macam conference atau league 3 yang apa
Lebih kurang lah.
that kind of choknya dia sama sih conference dia level lebih power daripada lower leagues. Memang lah.
National League punya team tu kalau lawan dengan yang apa championship ataupun division boleh fight tu.
Itulah the gila memanglah Celtic Rangers
Dia sebenarnya macam ni kan. Scotland failed to produce good national side. Why? Sebab Celtic and Rangers tak produce player yang good dan club side tu yang dia orang.
and who do you blame for to do all this? I blame one person who happens to be a Scottish legend. Siapa dia? When he took over Rangers, what did he do? He start
Beli players.
He start bringing in foreigners.
Chris Woods.
Itu tak, before Sooners came, itu tak Celtic Rangers squad. All the Celtic were
Memang
Scotsmen.
Scotsman kan, betul.
Scotsmen. I mean, Celtic on top of it, I can think apa, Danny McGrain,
Roy Aitken,
Paul Maxtey,
yes.
Lepas
Wando McLeod, yes.
Lepas tu bila Rangers masuk, dia beli semua tu, Celtic kata, kau buat macam tu aku buat macam tu juga.
Ya, dia kopi lah, dia orang beli player, dia beli
Orang
orangnya.
tu had the money. Rangers kata, everybody tu lewat, everybody tu.
So the standard jatuh, dia punya team sampai jatuh lah.
So the good Scottish players who go to Rangers and Aberdeen, Rangers and Celtic to do well, were basically stuck in the and
Lower clubs lah.
and down tak gimana.
Ya, itu je. Ya. Eloknya kalau di YouTube ada suruh dulu pulih dulu tembak dia, taruh baik dia.
And then that's what I know about this because lepas kan they can choose for support dari Liverpool. Dia pergi dia buat Liverpool lah. Tak baiknya tak baik all those players kan. I cakap
The style dia dah work out di Liverpool.
You know, it was quite talented. But the one hand, he bought English players. On the other hand, so to understand, he bought a lot of good Scottish players. But the problem is, what happened to these Scottish players yang bagus yang he brought to Rangers masa tu, jadi macam budak-budak yang on loan yang Chelsea. Rangers, tapi you're not gonna be the first team.
You reserve.
Kau akan reserve lah, tapi so budak tu mana
Tak develop lah, memang tak develop lah.
Banyak case. That's why bila masa zaman Rangers zaman
Seymour Smith lah. Double dia orang sponsor sebut. Ya,
actually it's second. It's not about Scottish players or young players from all over the place. Tapi kan bila kita sampai dia kat Rangers, dia tak pernah macam
tak boleh masuk first team pun dalam reserve kan.
dia only when the Scottish players with well in Rangers for 10 years already established stars ada di Liga team. Contoh memang example aku tak lupa Gordon Durie.
Gordon Durie itu dah memang dah established lah Chelsea.
No. Durie was Scottish striker kan.
Yalah,
He was from Scotland. Before he went to Rangers, he was playing already in Chelsea.
Chelsea main.
Before he
Main Chelsea dulu lah. Lepas tu baru beli dia.
And then there was a time Rangers kept buying one or two TV. Alexei Mikhailichenko. The Russian.
Beli brand Lodrell pada beli. Itu ada lagi.
So the Scottish players
Tak develop lah. Dia beli tu tak develop.
and then masa tu pula Celtic mengudung Celtic kata dia beli player apa nak beli but Celtic e-commerce when they bought foreign players
Dia flop.
kita orang semua tepuk dahi berpuluh kali lah
Yalah memang lah. Beli Tony Mowbray flop.
the only success with the wildness masa zaman tu is bila Rangers tak menang 10 in a row.
Yes.
Yang win
Williamson menang the championship tu. Itu pun player ada player kuat lah yang non Scottish ada. Henry Russell Alisson bukan. Belum. Siapa tu Johan Mjolby yang di Craig beli was Craig beli tu memang Scottish tapi dah establish lah. Bukan yang player dia establish lah tapi
then you are right. That's why sekarang the reason why Celtic now the Scottish Cup yang teknik ada nombor tu. Tak boleh. Kenapa dia
they have to go to the Rangers or Celtic either both.
Macam sekarang ni kita mula nak dengar international because why yang young players do well in the youth because dia orang dah see one thing about the Danish one there was a foreign invasion the players the good was dia dapat ini aku ikut they exert lama-lama dia became better players tiba-tiba kan the last 4 or 5 years English youth tiba-tiba doing well so that's a trickle down ni lah kadang-kadang dia go to youth dia go to level tak jadi happens kan kita tengok macam dulu masa our time you see bila fullback start jadi at least on top ini you can name 2 English fullbacks only on the left flank Chilwell is
well lepas tu Trent belah kanan
then siapa left back lah Chilwell ada
tu Cresswell yang West Ham tu playing well lah
Luke Shaw even though Luke Shaw dah ada right back sekarang 3 orang Trippier Trent dengan Kyle Walker buat tu see you know in our this time who was the English player yang untuk world class Kenny Sansom
sampai situ dah dia bertahun-tahun duduk situ nombor 3 tu
in the 80s 90s England was known for the goalkeepers dia goalkeeper England memang
tapi dah sekali pun dia semen kan pada semen tak ada dah yang boleh sampai tinggi tu tak ada dah tapi dia memanglah kalau sekarang ni memang banyak talent
the thing is now I mean walaupun the percentage of English players in the leadership is very low but these are really good ones tau
ya betul lah
that's why contoh England keeper in the old days Pickford tu memang number 1 nombor 1 nanti semua kacau memang dia tengok Pope Dean Henderson yang 3 ni at least 3 ni I don't know about the rest 3 ni dia talking about Dean Henderson ada dua ni pun dah boleh ni okay so now the English players in EPL they are good English players they are playing players yang main ada the good ones
betul lah Scotland tak ada Connery tak ada Asyik for Michael Mini pun bukan first level menu tak
no that's good
only Robo kan Scotland lah
you tengok I tell you lah Celtic ni first line tu yang masa the first team match dia play keeper dia is Buki Baras some guy from
tahu lah mana
check the follow the sure Lepas tu main game, Scott Brown still plays in the middle.
Oh, tak tu. Itu dah veteran.
35 years old. Full back. I mean, okay lah. I'll just senang cerita.
Veteran tu.
I'll read you the list of squad of
Carrington ni pun dah cabut. Biasanya.
Yes,
Tak ada lah.
yeah.
Lu dah kat Carrington ni tu main.
Okay, Celtic FC Football Club. Okay. That's yang game yang dia Timor je. Mana game yang dia
Tengok game pun boleh baca dah dia punya line up tu.
okay, yang dia draw di kiri yang I saw the game draw dengan kiri tu.
Kiri.
Memang dia orang ni tapi macam betul. Tell you what, let's do the three game. Give you the line up for ni Barkas. Not a Scotland. Is G Taylor, I don't know. Maybe. Okay, actually it's not
Bunyi pun kita tahu.
Julian is French. Frimpong is obviously bukan
Itu Frimpong memang Afrika kan, Cameroonian ke apa?
no, Frimpong I think is Swiss atau French. McGregor I think he's
bunyi spot lah, bunyi spot lah.
Scotland is Scottish. Ayunan Smith is not Scotland.
No.
Ryan Christie, yes.
Ryan Scott.
Ryan Scott. James Forrest, I think so.
Scott.
Jose Edward is French.
Jadi Scottish berapa orang dalam tu?
Let me just confirm.
Okay, cuba tengok Rangers punya line up.
Let me just confirm Celtic punya ni. Celtic punya okay. Let's just confirm dia. You go to Wikipedia, cari dia punya squad dia. Squad dia history. Yes, we are all Catholics.
Itu memang betul lah.
Ya,
Lepas tu Irish punya ni, Irish punya. Yes.
We don't like them Huns.
Betul lah tu.
Just your Huns.
Dia punya sectarian gila. Punya possessive.
Gua ingat masa Simo Johnston kata I'm going to Rangers.
Oi. Memang kena maki cabut semua.
Macam dia okay.
Kalau dia tersesat masuk dalam Celtic punya pub memang kena tutup lah.
Okay. Back. Greek keeper. Marcus the Greek keeper. Greg Taylor, yes, Scottish. Julian Fresh, you know. Marcus Scotland, Scottish. Just now yang si Christie is Christie dia yang di setting level. Christie is Scott. James Forrest is Scott. Callum McGregor is Scott. Frimpong is Dutch. Lucy is yalah Norwegian lah. And then yang dua ni is French. So adalah 4-5 orang. Itu pun macam that. Inilah I would say ini is a test. You look at the Scottish players in playing Celtic. Kan tak itu yang tak nak juga.
Dia pun tak dengar cerita pun.
Okay, now let's go to Rangers.
Rangers sebab dia berjarak jadi
tak tengok apa selevel dia.
Apa selevel dia pula?
Okay, on top you siapa yang Rangers player yang you dengar sekarang?
Tak tahu? Lepas tu.
For me, I know is the guy, yang striker dia yang kepala tu sikit, Morelos.
Morelos.
Alfredo Morelos.
Itu je pun.
Siapa? Tak ada siapa. And dia like number 2 you know.
Yeah.
Dia number 2 you know.
Dia nampak siapa.
Ini belum Dundee United dengan Hearts ni. Ni kids lagi.
Ada Hibs lah. Hibs dia orang kata Hibs now is a surprise package.
Yes. Because like I said lah, the club sekarang ni, if you are young Scottish player yang want to do well ini, where would you go? Kalau you, if I were them, I notice this kind of shows that jahat tak duit. They go to the other three lah. Hearts dan
United
and they do well.
English club will buy them lah.
Celtic ataupun Rangers they hope they hope
Macam Rombo mula-mula dan United.
See?
Mula-mula sekali first club dia.
Okay, first team squad for ni. Okay, Rangers, okay, keeper dia is okay lah.
Dan McGregor memang
defender James Tavernier, English. I never heard of him before.
tak pernah dengar siapa pun.
Okay, lepas tu
dia buat perangai sebenarnya sini buat punya jarak punya perangai ni.
mana Golson who is the vice captain is English.
Waduh.
Yanis Hagi ni is Georgie Hagi ni anak.
Iyalah.
Ryan Jack, okay, ni German ni itu flag ni. Satu dua.
Memang dua Scottish player pun
dia spot dia starting tak? Greg Stewart tak tahu. Greg Dougherty, Carl Kennedy, John McLaughlin, Lewis Mayo, Jamie Benji. I don't know these players.
that's the problem with Scottish football
Ah,
and Scottish national team.
that is why Cardiff kalau kat Wales untuk otak dia what do you think Cardiff siapa yang Welsh Cup dia Cardiff apa jadi
Cardiff, Swansea, Wrexham dengan Newport County.
that's why what do you think they play in the League Championship because they play in the Welsh League they not go anywhere.
Yalah, betul lah.
Tapi Wrexham tu I think kalau kata tu
Wrexham National League. Wrexham National
itulah.
League.
I think cuma ni je
Newport League 2 lah. Cardiff dengan Swansea lah dua
dia
ni.
dua ni je yang boleh lah yang macam like boleh lah
Yeah, they can produce Welsh players for the Welsh national team lah.
tapi because bila kita tengok okay lah since kita dah mention let's see who is playing for pemain untuk Scotland. Because Scotland sayang lah in my opinion.
Masalahnya diorang ni pernah produce world class players macam Dennis Law semua tu. So now tak ada pun. Memang tak ada lah.
Okay, Scotland national football team okay. Let's see who are the players and where they play. Important.
Itu yang paling penting lah.
Where they play.
Division apa?
Division apa?
PL ke ataupun championship
pemain tu memang ni the rule and power but where they play, where they play. Kalau kita tarik lah the Tartan Army, love them. Semangat
dia orang punya fanatik dia macam.
The Tartan Army.
Oh, jangan.
Okay, keeper dia okay, let me see. Okay, goalkeeper ni David Marshall so far ni David Marshall, John McLaughlin dengan Craig McAvenny. Wigan Rangers okay. Rangers punya starting keeper lah kot. Tapi nampaknya macam the cap Marshall is the ni Wigan. Wigan Championship. Okay, tengok dia kan tak. We see the caps relatively young team lah. But main kena Aberdeen, Motherwell, Sheffield Wednesday, Aberdeen, Celtic, Motherwell, Hibernian, and cap baru dia
Ni kira baru ni.
John McGinn lah. John McGinn lah. Villa. So Armstrong
Southampton lah.
Calendly we talk Celtic now. They still talk Celtic now. McLean ni I don't know. Even we talk about Norwich.
Tu dah Norwich, Kelly Mendes Norwich.
Norwich ni I don't know. He plays for Derby. Ryan Jack just now. Rangers. John Fleck. John Fleck ni sebab main apa Robert Fleck punya anak.
Robert Fleck punya anak saudara. Nephew dia.
Striker. Our group of Steven Naismith.
Masih lagi main tu lah.
See? James Forrest.
Tapi dah balik kampung lah.
Apa? Oliver Burke. Oliver tu dia pergi ke Bayern tapi saya dengar dia kira tak menjadi sana.
Yalah.
Ni yang Mamat tu yang
tu mana? Oliver Burke tu jambak.
Lewis Morgan I don't know siapa dia.
Yang tak tahu dia pergi main Inter Miami. Jadi tak ada yang betul-betul Scottish players yang memang notable lah.
Ada tak?
Tak ada.
Ya, at least kan. At least lah. Tapi
paling kuat pun dapat Robo. Tapi Robo tak ada dalam ni kan? Robo tak ada dalam ni saya.
Yang tu yang gua
battling lah Robo tak ada.
Tapi dia kata these are the players who fought for the last FIFA qualifier yang I think dia dah tak lepas tu kan.
Yalah. Robo tak main. Tapi ikut Robo is the captain.
Okay, the stars. Okay, ya. Robo Liam Cooper.
Liam Cooper tu Leeds. Liam Cooper Leeds He's a big guy.
Ya, tu ni.
Scottish lah.
Ya. Charlie Murphy.
Itu ada championship. Championship. Grand Henley pun championship.
Ini yang star lah. Ini yang star lah.
Yalah. Ryan Fraser tu yang apa tu?
X ni yang Benoit tu. Ada tiba-tiba merajuk tak nak main dah.
Tak nak main. Sangat tembok.
So, bila tengok seperti bila
tak ada.
Wales lagi gelap.
Wales tu memang Wales
Tapi dia
dapat
ada
Bale lah. Tapi dia ada Bale.
Tak satu nama tu lepas Euro tu dia dapat yang that strike Casey Richard lah. So Euro tu dia meletup tiba-tiba dia dapat kontrak dapat kontrak begini. Apa Euro tu lagi Morgan he did quite well for Wales.
Robert Scanu kan.
Robert Scanu.
Robert Scanu West Brom. Salah. West Brom mungkin. Tapi senang cerita lah. Sporting tak ada player macam Gareth Bale.
Even game tu tak dia.
Gareth Bale tu memang superstar lah. Gareth Bale ni masalah. Dia dengan Zidane.
Patut yang dia betul-betul long term, tapi the thing is dia pun bantu
agent dia selalu puja, jangan stay.
Really?
Really? 500,000 quid.
Saya dan dia
Memang lagi mahal daripada Ozil.
itu yang the Alcatraz dia net tu.
Yalah.
That's why yang high tu
Betul lah. I think the only clubs yang boleh beli dia China Super League je club lah. I think.
yang the point
Tapi
is
China Super League kalau tengok nampak macam berlapan, tapi tak tahu duit tu ada ke tak ada.
yang I heard was about sometime last year, just after penuntutan itu start menjadi, the Chinese actually crack down on the Chinese club bawa these foreigners masuk. Because dia orang kata those guys macam too many inflated deals lah. Tak sih. I remember the thing Oscar just see people for the
apa semua jenis sedikit kan.
Tiba-tiba kan Messi to China. Ya, macam semua ni.
Memang lah.
But then you know how terrible it is. Kan Tevez aku top chance.
Tevez. Dia tak tahan, dia lari. Tak salah dia kata the standard of football is very low.
Dia lepas tu dia
balik ke Bukan Dunia.
Dia
balik bukan pasal duit, dia balik pasal standard football.
Yalah tu betul.
Dia kata aku main santai pun aku boleh skor gol. Very low standard. Whereas macam Andres and Stam di Vincent Kobe belum tengok pun. Good. Dia punya standard football tu.
Japanese I've seen some Japanese games yang the top first division kan.
Yalah. J1.
Yang I saw the games on the top teams kan. In football apa tau? Dia lebih cantik dari liga kita lah.
Yalah.
Passing lebih cantik.
Senang kita.
Passing lebih cantik lah. And then I mean
you tengok dekat J2 pun, tengok J2 punya live game pun, dia kata, wah, ni kalau JDT lawan dengan tim J2, Liga 2 Jepun ni, sayur JDT ni. Pasal dia orang main position football, memang cantik dia main. Memang cantik. Lepas tu dia kan, Japanese kan free flowing. Dia tak macam Korean ni lebih pada macam
Work hard. If you talking about flair, the Koreans more flair. So they catch
more flat. Tapi Korean dia mostly
dia hard working. And one thing about Korean system, if they have flair players, they don't let the flair players macam si Yuming tu. Yuming masa Asian Games yang buat kat Indonesia kan? Man of the player of the tournament. He scored so many.
Ya betul tu. Tapi cuma lawan Malaysia simpan tu.
He first. Come on lah, let me go. If I menang gold medal, I don't have to go for national service. Really? Okay. But then he went back for a while kan?
Tu dia balik tu pasal yang COVID-19 tu dia boleh balik kan waktu tu break aku ni stop.
But he had to go back.
Yes, dia buat national service tu 2 bulan.
Cak dia. Otak kena dua tahun 2 tahun.
Yalah, betul kan.
But he thought that he got the gold medal for bola. Okay, time lepas. No. It's good.
Kena pergi dah.
Yalah. Tak Yuming man. Tadi masa tu dia COVID kan. Lepas lah.
Lepas tu orang on juga, still dia on punya tu kan. Tapi Liga stop lah. Tapi yang tak tahan tu masa lawan Malaysia dan Asian Games tu, dia orang simpan sampai toward the end of the second half. Dia orang keluar kan, satu. Punyalah Korean estimated kita punya national under 23 team. Bila kena 2-0 baru masuk ke kawan tu.
Tapi dah too late already
Dah too late lah. Tapi nampak muka Sohyeon ni macam a bit macam surprise pun ada, macam Rejected pula tu kalah dengan Malaysia tu. Dia orang bila kalau kalah dengan Kedah tak apa, kalah dengan Arab tak apa, kalah dengan apa-apa tim dalam Asia, jangan kalah dengan Malaysia. Kalah Malaysia dia orang punya pride tu jadi dented tau. Ni cakap ni buat dengar rumus. Kata bulan 9 ni Japan University National tu nak main training gitu dengan kita punya orang Melayu.
Kalau main pun tak boleh.
Tak, maksudnya training dah tak saya pun tahun depan baru nak main. Tapi dia mana ni dia orang dah mula start buka betul kita punya national team tu. Kan UAE dengan Vietnam pun
Vietnam is hit of us.
Memang lah, betul lah.
They develop hopefully because the thing is what I read was banyak yang kita punya grassroots the past few years have been doing quite okay. Surprisingly FF tak nampak. Tapi yang sekarang the point is untuk confidence for FF also to keep is you need to keep this one. I'm hoping that this boy will be quite good. He can
perform dan jadi benchmark untuk yang lain akan world pursuit lah.
Dia orang akan nampak macam
dia orang pergi lah, tak kisahlah mana-mana league pun Japan ke mana, tapi dia orang go foreign.
So masa si yang kita ada berat kat Jepun yang ibu cakap
itu apa ni
J2
apa tu Hadi Payat seorang, lepas tu ada seorang tu kan ada lagi India tu tapi hilang lah, tapi yang Hadi Payat tu memang still ada lagi lah. Tapi pun masalah sekarang ni macam kita Loman masuk pasal apa? Dia sentan ambil dia kan, okey. Yang Hadi Payat tu masuk pasal apa? Sebab Yakult punya CSR polisi. Kita orang ambil dia sebab kita orang ada CSR punya polisi pada Malaysian people. So kita orang ambil di Jepun. Buat dengan dia tapi to our information, Dubai is doing well kan. So doing well. Maksudnya dia ada progress lah, bukan dia static macam game guy yang pergi Jepun hilang terus. Tak tahu macam mana. Katanya the latest development yang sebelum hilang cerita dia tu, dia try adapt dia dan main untuk kelab Jepun yang protection league betul. Jepun dia ada dia betul ada protection league dia negeri tau. So dia Indian guy nak cuba masuk yang kelab yang protection league ni, tapi dia gone out from the Malaysia. Tak tahu apa jadi dia. Takut jadi pekerja.
tidak haram kan.
Sudah
Money is good tu.
Tak, kerja company lah.
Itulah betul. Dulu I remember we had some kan that
Tu hook business girl ke apa kan kahwin.
Actually let's not go there. Itu dia punya gimmick ke. Thing is kan si Takis James tak
Ya, dari game ni France memang out dia.
sayang yang budak Panama tu.
Oh tu Nazri apa ni, siapa Faiz Nazmi tu lagi Panama.
Yang tu was
A waste of talent.
I don't know what how he is now here.
Dia main JDT tapi not a squad player lah, not a squad player benar.
Panama tu I was like I heard of Panama kan yang dia
Dia first division
kan
betul.
dah macam tu.
Even though not a big club, tapi Intis perform well dia. Diorang kata jangan nampak tau, Sporting ke Benfica ke Porto jangan nampak.
Then what happened?
Kabut balik, tak tahan.
Oh dia tis.
Memang confirm lah
tu and then tiba-tiba Selangor kan offer dia
offer dia kontrak.
Imagine kau belum 20 Selangor dah offer kau 5 angka.
Mata RM lah kecil habis. Lepas tu dia thinking of the future picture. Betul tak? Bayangkan kalau dia lama macam okey. Katalah yang atas Kubal ke Gomares ke ambil dia beli dia. And then suddenly he plays in the Europa League. Orang akan nampak dia punya profile up tu. Macam tadi lah, macam Sikas Kostas lah sama tu.
Yes, so I see that Japanese Korean players they thought they were not that good. Germany.
Yalah, Germany. Tapi Germany pun diorang kisah tim aku jadi Bundesliga. Betul. Kisah.
Bila dia boleh masuk situ dia can go dia
Macam
si Moko dah masuk Premiership lah tu.
itu main Newcastle.
Moko came from
Tapi ada lagi seorang defense player main untuk Bundesliga tu 4 Minamino ada. Tapi pun nama dia ada gitu. Tapi bukan top billing lah, tapi still dia Bundesliga aku division.
tapi Minamino bukan main bukan Bundesliga lah tu.
Dia di apa Austrian Rainbow Salzburg.
Salzburg.
Tak ada seorang lagi pemain Japan yang ada seorang lagi lah, walaupun nama dia ada dalam Bundesliga. Tapi bukan Bayern ataupun Dortmund lah.
Mana sebab I think I know.
Bayern Leverkusen ke ataupun apa.
Actually dia
Kita tengok dalam Japanese.
yang Japanese Cup juga, Japanese Bundesliga. Ada. Because when I was watching Bundesliga matches this year,
Ada Japanese player. Japanese player lah main tu.
Players. Ni. Okay, you Bundesliga siapa ada? Ni. At least 3.
Itu dia apa ayat Osako dari Bremen, Hajime Hosogai. Lepas tu Daichi Kamada. Saya Kamada kot. Itu Frankfurt rasanya lah. Ada pesan.
Yang gua ingat yang remember si Osako tu because I've seen him play masa Werder Bremen. Werder Bremen this season memang
Yalah.
I think
Dia Ruli avoided relegation.
Lepas
Dia menang playoff. Dia menang playoff apa je tak turun. Ada Bremen tak turun. Dia survive. Dia tak jadi macam Stuttgart lah. Stuttgart memang turun lah.
Stuttgart tu kan apa dia banyak dengan duit masa dia turun.
Management lah.
I would say Stuttgart is always the masterpiece club.
Memang.
Macam Bayer, macam Leverkusen,
Bayer punya tu pharmaceutical tu.
memang basically
Apotheker.
Kazakhstan mana cakap ni dia Luxembourg masa mungkin
Okazaki daripada Japan lah.
dia dari mana?
Japan lah.
Tapi Okazaki kan main
Dia pernah main dia. He has premiership medal dengan Leicester.
masa kat Leicester they were very fond of him to Leicester. He was not Leicester, dia pas kudung dia. Dia kan
Workhorse.
I remember yang bila dia main
Dia partner dengan Jimmy Vardy score goals, tapi dia buat muara depan.
tahu tak apa. Itulah yang Kagawa tu
Kagawa tu sayang.
sayang.
Kagawa tu.
Sayang.